I am Rachel Alberts. I am the principal of Sunburst Elementary, and I am very excited for this new school year in our new school with our new faculty and our new families and students. The appealing thing about opening this school to me and being principal of this school there were many things. One of them is just the brand new building itself that is built in such an engaging, exciting way for teachers and students and everyone here. From the different types of furniture that move around to the common collaborative areas. The other thing that was exciting to me is this is our first, and South Clearfield will be one as well, but our first teacher academy school, which means that we will have universities here, and their students, aspiring teachers at those universities, will be at our school, in our classrooms, learning from our wonderful teachers. All of that combined was just very exciting to me.
It's really designed for teaching and learning. And one of the ways that we do that is we have a big roll-up door, and the teachers can open that and they can flow out into this space, which we call the collaboration space. One of the other things we love about the school is this school is the fourth in the series that is, we call it energy positive, because this school will make more energy on site than it uses. So that's exciting, and that's a big savings for the district, and we're not spending any more on the schools to get that effect than we used to.
So Sunburst Elementary is the fourth prototype of the Bodies in Motion prototype, and the theme for Sunburst is rhythm. On the exterior, for instance, we have different patterns in the masonry. We've put sound waves in some of the signage at the front of the school as you enter in. Each wing has its own identity. So the 4 wings are labeled look, listen, move, and make. And so we've dissected rhythm into each of those 4 categories and then introduced that, through the signage. The colors tie into the school, so it's all homogeneous, but that's used for wayfinding and also just fun and playful. We want the school to be vibrant and inviting for the students.
So one of the fun things that I've been able to observe tonight, after watching how excited students are, they've come up to me and told me things like, I used to be nervous to come to a new school, and now I'm just excited. And I've had several say, I want school to start tomorrow. This is so cool. Another student, after looking at the way the building's designed and all of the furniture and the collaborative spaces, said, this is the way school's supposed to be for kids. So again, just seeing it through the children's eyes and their excitement has just been a really great experience tonight.